train. Yeah, in the path. You remember that, man? Oh, I didn't make this like I can't fuck up. Fucking hell, what should we call you? Right. Like a river here. The car's gone through there, man. Fucking hell. Not happy about this, like. Cars in front. Driving the fucking road. So hold up. Walk down. Just can't go through. Take the river. Can I go along up here? It's safe up there. Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll turn around because that truck's having difficulty. Look at that, the river down here.
It's flooding.
I think the van's broke down.
Oh, has?
What? Was rain doing that?
I know.
Right, look at seeing that, like. Oh, it's turning around. Fabric, isn't it?
I know. This is so deep.
Like, we can't go that road's just a signal.
Busier too. I think it might flood like down south. But
It's everywhere, I'm hoping not, like.
what?
Hoping not for you know. This drain here. Popped.
No, I mean like it might flood. Do you know like it floods in? Oh, where was it?
Oh, I definitely know. Look, I'm going to put the signal on because I need this window. Yeah.
Alright. I'm not bothered. I'm not cold anyway. There's police and ambulances all over. Did you you hear the lightning? Thunder.
I just had the dogs out for a walk.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa! Like, rain's like coming up.
Oh, them poor dogs are good stuff.
Well, could be them type.
As best we can and try not to throw too much information at you all at once. But we'll go to Hillary first on line 3. Hillary?
Hi, just an update on the road, DA1. Gosford's just come down from Gosford.
What's the matter, Alex? Someone's
Look
trying...
at- look at-
Oh my god.
You see how deep it is?
Aye. Someone's trying to hack his computer or something.
Look how deep it is. It's crazy, this man.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that car. He's broke through. Oh, watch
Oh, he's
How's the
in
girl there?
Oh my god, we're going in.
Maybe I can through this and the whole weed and stuff.
It's like a river.
I know.
Like, is a river.
Shit. I'm not happy with this, like.
Why is it not good?
I mean, see how deep it is, man.
But,
That's just ridiculous, that, like.
is the water coming through?
I don't know.
That's not.
Well,
Oh,
I'm
back
talking
up.
to somebody from Sunderland. We're heading down to Bowling now, and they're just getting it now, so we're heading straight back into it.
Alright.
Great for them.